Hey, I see what's going on this. So they're asking for the domain and range. Your range looks good with one exception. You did a good job of doing from the bottom to the top because that's what the range is. It only has to do with the y-axis from the bottom to the top. So you did great with that. You also did great in having a parenthesis for the -5 because it has a circle and it's not included. The the part that was missed is the 4 up here. It is included. So this should have had a bracket. Okay. It's touching. So because there's not a circle, that means that it is part of the range, and so it is going to be a bracket. The domain, I'm seeing some big issues here, and I'm worried. You did really good with the range of starting from the lowest number going to the highest, but with the domain, you're starting with the highest number and going to the lowest, and we need to flip that around. And it's great that you see what the domain is, but I need you going in the right direction. So just like a book or just like your range, you're going to go for the smallest number to the highest number. So instead of 3 to -2, you're going to have -2 to 3. Now, the -2 is included, so it gets a bracket, and the 3 is not, so it gets just a parenthesis. And that's all you needed for those. Okay. If you would, going forward, don't stress that you got it wrong. Go until you get the right answers, because you can hit this point where it says jump to the answer, or once you get this key showing up, you can see the answer. Look at the answer, see if you can figure out how they got the answer and why. And then if you can't figure that out, make sure you reach out to me. I just want to make sure that you understand this is a tool that you can use to help yourself instead of waiting for me to answer you back. The other thing is, make sure you go back in here, request a similar problem so that you can get full credit for this question. Okay. And the other one as well that I'm sending to you. I also made a note in the video for the other one that it's almost impossible. I can't even get 100% on it. So if you can get your piecewise function looking properly, I will make sure and go back in and give you full credit for it. All right. That's it. And let me know if you have any further questions. Have a great weekend.